Are you going to
Hey,
say?
Hun, what's going on with this motor over here?
Well, as you remember last video, we were working on this motor. That's that old Delta motor that came off of, I believe, a table saw. And they had the pulleys on it. I finally got them off. The one on this side, I had to cut off. I had to cut it off with my grinder. I got a clamshell puller behind it, able to pop that one off. This one here was a little tougher. It's made out of aluminum, so and it was so close to the wall here, I couldn't get a puller behind it. So what I did was I had two chisels, and I got a chisel down this side and a chisel down this side, and kind of walked it off until I got it out about half an inch. Then eventually it snapped off, the outer part. So with this just in place, I was able to get a clam puller behind it and pulled it off. So I got the pullers off. I cleaned up the shafts, just turned the motor on, put a piece of emery cloth on it. I think it was 120 grit, and I just cleaned them up really nice. Now I'm working on the cord, going to replace the cord, run into a few problems. I got, I think, 3 of the screws out to take this apart, and I got 2 of them that are giving me problems. So what I'm going to do is probably have to cut the head off the screw, pop it out, and try to get it. I had a little impact driver, which is I thought would work perfect. I can get it on the screw, hit it, just break it loose. I got one of them out that way. The other one kind of messed up the head, so I can't do that. So I think I'll take a little a die grinder in here, cut the head out, pull out the switch, replace the cord, put it back in, try to get a little easy out in there, or drill that out and put another bolt back in to hold that switch in. So that's where I'm at with the motor. I'm going to move on with it. I started banging on it, and sometimes it's best to just stop the project, walk away, give it a little time, and then come back, and then the problem can be solved. And I realized that I was starting to bend things, so I'm going to walk away, look at it a little bit, and then go back at it. But I'll keep you posted on that. So hope you liked the video, the update on the motor. If you get a chance, subscribe, leave me a note. We'll go from there.
Thanks, Doug.
Thank you.